Okay, engine start checklist.
Gear pins.
Roof and stowed.
All doors.
Closed, no lights.
Passengers, there is none. Safety seatbelt check right.
Left.
Brass levers.
Idle.
Engine run.
2 run.
Parking brake.
Set.
Probes and aux. I'll reset the timer.
And right side.
Right is clear.
Left side is clear too. Okay, 2 engines, 3 generators. Okay, I'm ready for checklist.
Yaw damper is on. Wing anti-ice is running at the moment. Wing flaps 10.
IC 10.
Gas lock.
Removed.
Light control.
Check 10 free.
Light spoilers.
Check 10 stowed.
Front spoilers.
Check 10 auto.
Nose for steering.
Is on.
Lock seatbelt. Time. Let's call them COM2.
Com 2, I got it. Information Oscar.
Ground, AirPod 5 and signature with Oscar ready taxi.
558 Midway ground, I don't know if you have anything else, but departure frequency will be 133.5. Runway 22 right, intersection November departure, full length on 22 right will be available at the tower if you need it. Text via Whiskey, Hotel 1, and November, cross runway 13 left.
Taxiing to 22 right, November intersection, Whiskey, Hotel 1, November, cross 13 left, pod 5. Okay, you are clear to the right. I'll be left turn to Whiskey.
Okay.
And as briefed.
Okay.
I'm fine with using, actually,
Yeah,
we'll see when we get there if they...
What's in the box? 22...
22 left.
Okay. So we'll double check again before we go.
You know what, I'll take the whole runway, because why not?
Oh, yeah, for sure. But I'm putting the performance just so we know that something's off and
It's clear.
and we need to double check the runway at the end if we can use 22 left or not. But we'll see.
Sister 404 Midway ground, clear to Little Rock Airport via the Midway 8 departure as filed. Maintain 3000. Departure frequency 133.5. Squawk 1373. And I'm sorry, say parking?
Yeah, we're Atlantic.
And we're cleared to cross.
13 left.
Yes.
50 on departure. 63 squawk to 404. Sorry, that's 33. 35.
Before taxi complete.
Oh, you had it right, 33.5 for departure. Everything else is correct.
I'll take the brakes real quick.
Yeah, your brakes.
My brakes. Your brakes.
Perfect, my brakes. Lights. Finals clear.
And right is clear. It's on.
No, southwest's on final, that's good.
Approaching 13 center.
There's no center. It's left.
Yeah, something about the... I'm trying to update the database. Yeah, I don't want to star in any of those YouTube videos. Not those kinds. There we go, Hotel 1 November. And lights for taxi.
Okay. Brakes, nose for steering.
Checked.
Thrust reversers.
Checked and stowed.
Flight instruments, we have takeoff, and takeoff my side. 093 on both sides. 3000 for the climb, speeds are posted. And then we have runway heading for departure.
Okay.
Transponder on.
And left on November.
Yeah. Crew quantity is balanced, landing 5200. Anti-ice is off. Engine N1 is set 89. Nav equipment both on FMS. Takeoff data reviewed and briefed. Next is lineup.
Okay.
Okay, now he did not clear us to cross to the right approach.
Yeah, I won't. I'm not sure there is an approach.
Yeah, or the runway itself, yeah.
Yeah. Com 1? Or, I mean, he did instruct 22 right, so let's go Com 1.
He was landing on taxiway Yankee, so when that happens, we have to send you around.
Roger. Yeah, it might be due to get the wind, just our heading, but to swing it a little at the time. But we're dead on.
I guess you can ask Tower if it's too left to take off if it's possible. We can do 22 right, but we rather do 22
Roger.
left.
The winds are 200 at 17, gusts 23.
Approaching 22 right.
Is it 925 Juliet Whiskey to park with me?
Juliet Whiskey to park with you is such a 925.
Okay, 4200 to 5500. We'll just take the whole runway then.
Sure.
And we're in Com 1.
I'm good. Okay. Com 1, I'm good with both options.
5.7 on the trim, speeds stay the same.
Sure, and takeoff.
I'll just tell everyone full length.
Sure.
And Tower AirPod 5, can we take full length?
Airport 5, Midway Tower, affirmative, runway 22 right, full length, line up and wait.
To the right, full length, line up and wait, Pod 5. Parking brake is off. Lights are on. Probes. Leads are set. CAS is
Tower, good day, front 514.
and runway to go. To the right.
On Evan, Zulu, runway 22 left.
Front to flight 1413, Midway Tower, good afternoon. Wind 200 at 17, gust 23. Runway 22 left, clear to land.
Runway 22 left, clear to land, front 51413.
On runway 04 left, 400 feet remaining. 100 feet remaining.
Funny that there's no EMAS on this runway with the road being so close, but I don't know.
They say it is what it is. If you miss it,
You miss it.
you're going to the gas station.
On runway 22
Okay,
right.
your
runway confirmed.
400
Airport 5,
remaining.
turn left heading 180, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Left 180, 22 right, clear for takeoff, AirPod 5.
Okay.
180 set. Good to go?
Number 5258, the reverse is approved. Contact ground.
Check takeoff thrust.
Achieved. Airspeed alive, 3 times. 80.
Cross check.
V1 rotate. V2. Fast rate.
Gear up.
– 400 feet.
Flaps up and heading.
Heading Felch 200.
Okay, clear on your side.
Oh, left side's clear, yeah.
To go.
On to go.
AirPod 5, 737, 2 miles south of your position, northeastbound, restricted on approach above. Contact departure, good day.
You see the 7-3 and switching departure, AirPod 5.
I see it.
Chicago departure, AirPod 3 is 2,500, climbing 3,000, heading 180. We see the 7-3 above us.
AirPod 5, Chicago departure, radar contact. Flight to monitor precip for the next 30 miles or so. As you get higher, you can expect continuous light chop, and then I think borderline turbulence at 6,000 feet there.
Copy that, AirPod 5.
Okay, we
AirPod
can
5, come and maintain 8,000 and proceed directed dense.
8,000 direct dents, AirPod 5.
Okay, I'm accelerating it.
And direct dent.
Okay, 250 please.
You got 250. And nav is engaged, basically straight on to dent.
3792 Chicago approach. Good afternoon. RNAV Yankee to 22 left. You can expect continuous light chop as you get closer to Midway.
Nice. Temperature is plus 11 and probably going down.
Okay, take autopilot.
Autopilot is on vertical speed.
Perfect. Give it some right rudder.
Sure. And we still got plus 11 on the TAT. And you can reduce the, let's go engine anti-ice. And then I'll swap the bleeds.
Okay, the power is set for the bleeds.
Thank you. Bleeds are swapped and stable. APU confirm?
Yeah. Now keep it 250.
APU is off and you're good to keep going.
AirPod 5, come and maintain 10,000.
10,000, AirPod 5.
10,000 set.
Copy.
Polar 7770, descend and maintain 4,000.
This was fun.
Polar 7770, area of light to moderate precipitation. Total clock 18 miles. 15 miles in diameter. Expect continuous light chop, occasional moderate bump.
Did after takeoff?
After takeoff is complete.
AirPod 5, come and maintain 12,000 and has a ride deteriorated more than light turbulence there or light chop.
12,000, it's switching between light to moderate turbulence probably.
AirPod 5, thanks for the report there. Contact the center, 120.12. Good day.
2012, AirPod 5, take care.
AirPod 5, actually, before you go, you did say turbulence, correct? Not chop anymore?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, it's turbulence. It gets a little bit calmer over 8,000, but anywhere from 3 to 8, it's probably turbulence.
AirPod 5, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
31.
10 check, we got 800 in climbing. Belts are still on, APU blades set for flight.
544 on Mike, turn 15 degrees to the right.
Okay, accelerating it.
Chicago Center, AirPod 5 is 11,000, climbing 12,000, direct dent.
Go.
And what was the call sign, sir?
AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, Chicago Center, coming making 14,000, resume normal speed.
14,000 normal speed, AirPod 5.
Okay, normal speed, 14.
Okay, see it.
I'll keep slower for the turbulence speed.
Yeah, that's fine. 265 is good. And yeah, I just wish they'd climb us
Higher?
faster. Yeah,
Want to go?
I'm stuck in this.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, we're almost out of it. Come on, buddy.
You can ask.
AirPod 5.
Go for AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, I'm maintain level 230.
230, AirPod 5.
AirPod 341, Mike, lighting 140.
Yeah. I think it was like 4,000 at least.
It's exactly the number I had.
And just floor it.
Navigator 2812 to the 8 for 50.
2812 Chicago Center, I'm making level 230, resume normal speed.
Normal speed, flight level 230, Navigator 2812.
Okay, if you want, you can call it out.
Yeah.
And fix it.
Yeah. Old habits.
That's something that Eric taught me.
Yeah. Nice.
AirPod 5, heading Chicago Center, 121.27.
12127, AirPod 5.
Or HIGU direct.
Oh, it's back.
Or if you want to keep this, that's fine as well.
Well, we actually did an amendment and we wanted to stay west of the city if we could for the weather.
Temperatures set,
I mean,
lights are off.
I don't want to go to Michigan, no, I'm sorry, Wisconsin if I can.
I also don't want to go to
That's
Michigan.
Back, so
Yeah,
it is
nobody wants to go to Michigan.
Yeah, we'll stay west if we can for now for Gentleman City.
Yep, no problem. Just wanted to give you that option, and hopefully they can turn you in a little bit sooner.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks.
Center AirPod 5 is 190, climbing 230.
AirPod 5, Chicago Center, climb maintain flight level 290.
290, AirPod 5.
American 1431.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
One thing that might happen is that I have climb power and you have engine anti-ice on.
American 1431, Chicago Center, climb
And what?
maintain flight level 290.
This is when it sounds like give me the red message.
You know,
it's only on the wing.
30.